Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering a layer 1 that I believe will explode next bull run. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So first things first, I want to congratulate any of you guys that got into Check.dot. We talked about it 2 days ago and you would be up about 20%. Now the project I'm covering today is Kaspa. The ticker is KAS. What's interesting about Kaspa is according to CoinMarketCap, it's ranked 215 among all cryptocurrencies. However, with a market cap of just shy of 500 million, Kaspa should be ranked 80th among all cryptocurrencies. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy going on. Regardless, it's currently trading at a price point of 2.5 cents. It has a max supply of 28.7 billion and a circulating supply of 19.4 billion. That's about 68% in circulation. Unlike most other cryptocurrencies, Kaspa reached an all-time high this year, 3 months ago, of just over 4 cents. It's currently down only 40% since then. Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the Blockdag protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, Blockdag does not orphan blocks, create in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually a Blockdag, and supposedly Kaspa has solved the blockchain trilemma of security, scalability, and decentralization, which would be the first ever proof-of-work blockchain, or Blockdag in this case, to do so. Its only major competitor being that of Kadena, which they both have different aspects that make them unique. Essentially, Kaspa aims to be what Bitcoin was meant to be, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. But the problem with Bitcoin is it's so scarce that nobody actually wants to spend it. Bitcoin is treated like gold. Kaspa would like to be treated like silver, which if you look back in history, silver has always been a better form of money because it's more abundant. Gold has always been more valuable, just as Bitcoin is, but people like to hold on to their Bitcoin and their gold. The founder is Jonathan Sompolinsky, postdoc CS at Harvard University on the MEV research team. This guy is brilliant. I highly recommend you guys do a little more research into him. His 2013 paper on the Ghost protocol is cited in Ethereum's white paper, the #2 largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum. That tells you the kind of credibility that this guy has. Take a look at Kaspa's website. Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world's first Blockdag, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation, built on robust proof-of-work engine with rapid single-second block intervals. And the website is built and maintained by Kaspa community members, which is really good. When you're looking for a project that you believe can garner a lot of hype in the next bull run, you need a strong base community. Now, Kaspa has had some major news recently on Twitter. Since my last video, they've already gained about 6,000 followers, and just earlier today, they announced their integration with Now Payments and their continued support from CoinPal. And now, in my opinion, the best news. Specializing in naming, branding, and creative marketing, Rhubarb Media now accepts Kaspa as payment. That is fantastic to see. And I believe this is just the beginning for Kaspa. Obviously, other layer 1 projects have had their coin accepted as payment, but Kaspa being one of the first proof of work is huge. And then I also saw a video of Kaspa versus MasterCard transaction speed, 7.7 seconds compared to MasterCard's 13 seconds. That is incredible, especially again for a proof of work Blockdag. Now, as for how high I think Kaspa could go next bull run, when you look at Cardano, it has a market cap of about 10 billion. XRP is about 24.7 billion. And as we discussed, Kaspa is just under 500 million. If you go to market cap of, and you put Kaspa in and you put Cardano in, theoretically, if Kaspa were to reach the market cap of Cardano right now, it'd be sitting at a price point of about 52 cents, and that'd be about a 20x. I absolutely believe that is possible. Kaspa is very unique. Yes, there's a lot of layer 1 competition these days, so Kaspa will have to separate itself. However, in my opinion, they already have. You look at how many proof-of-stake blockchains are out there right now, Kaspa is not like the rest of them. They are a proof-of-work Blockdag. And being proof-of-work, if they have found a way to truly be scalable, I do believe they will get their time in the sun to shine, as a lot of developers are going to want to test out a proof-of-work. Now, in a more bullish scenario, theoretically, if Kaspa were to reach the market cap of XRP, it would be sitting at a price point of $1.27. That would be just under a 50x. When you look at a 25 billion market cap, that is not actually that high when you consider the fact that Bitcoin next bull run could be sitting at $150,000, which would put it well in the trillions. But obviously, these price predictions are just my own opinion. Please do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll do a little bit of technical analysis. So when you look at Kaspa on the weekly time frame, the stochastics are extremely oversold, starting to push up, and the RSI is getting a little bit high, but it definitely still has room to go. And now, if you look at the video I posted 3 weeks ago. I drew Kaspa in a falling wedge and I pull a Fibonacci on it where it was trading just beneath the golden pocket. I said in that video that falling wedges break out 68% of the time, and Kaspa has begun breaking out. I was talking about it at around 1.5 cents and it is currently trading at 2.5 cents. However, as I said, the stochastics are extremely oversold, starting to push up. They still have legs on them. And if the measured move holds true, Kaspa could find its way up to that 5-cent region, which would put it at new all-time highs. Obviously, measured moves are not guaranteed, but based on those 3 indicators, it might not be a terrible time to continue dollar cost averaging into Kaspa if you believe in it long term. Keep in mind, most cryptocurrencies right now are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, most will rise. If Bitcoin falls, most will fall. And to that point, I want to show you guys Bitcoin's weekly time frame. If you guys have followed my last few videos I've made, you will know I am a big time stochastic trader. And on Bitcoin's weekly time frame, the stochastics are extremely oversold, starting to push up. Bitcoin has already ran back above $30,000 and the stochastics have hardly moved. I will not be shocked at all if Bitcoin rises up into that $36,000, $37,000 region. Again, nothing's guaranteed, so you need to be prepared for anything. If bad news came out, Bitcoin could crash back down to 15,000. But if you guys do believe in Kaspa or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, long term, it might not be a terrible time for you to start dollar cost averaging in. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about Kaspa and where do you think the crypto market's headed within the next few weeks? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand, and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome.